Hello, Global Leadership Enterprise. I'm Blessed and Mercy Olivia, co-founder and CEO at Eco Harvest. Eco Harvest is a waste management company that is committed to transforming organic waste into valuable resources. In this video, I'll take you through the problems we discovered, the solution, feasibility, innovation, and business model. Yes, we discovered a problem. According to the World Bank and United Nations Environmental Programme reports on Nigerian waste, Nigeria produces 32 million tons of waste annually, with 40 to 50% as organic waste. However, only 20% of waste is being managed properly. Secondly, the Nigerian agricultural policy indicates that 72% of agricultural land is being affected by land degradation, causing poor soil fertility and affecting agricultural productivity. Finally, the Nigerian Energy Support Program records that nearly 60% of population lacks access to affordable alternative clean energy. To solve this problem, we innovated an advanced biodigester, a system that helps to co-digest different organic waste to produce biogas and organic fertilizer. This system uses gas solar power and IoT sensor to produce efficiently. The organic fertilizer it produces helps boost crop yield naturally. Then the biogas can be compressed into LPG cylinder to cook or for electricity. Our market size for waste management is huge, just as it is displayed on the screen. This is because of the growing population in Nigeria. Our business model is simple. We offer our services to customers, businesses, and to the government. Yes, we have competitors. The Green Planet projects, Go Green, and even the local waste collectors. However, our biodigester has a good competitive advantage because we leverage on technology for our productivity. Yes, we have made some tractions. We have produced 3,000 kilograms of organic fertilizer and 1,000 kilograms of biogas, all distributed in our locality. It's my team members.
Hello, Woomba Leadership Enterprise. I'm Victor Ubani, in charge of research and development at EcoHarvest.
Hello, Goomba Leadership Enterprise. I'm Oji Wisdom Chinedu, a co-founder at EcoHarvest. I have my BSc in Environmental Health Sciences. As you can see, we have the best key for our vision. We look towards your support and partnership as we build together a healthier and safer climate. Thank you.
So, as a team, we ask for Woomba Leadership Enterprise grant support.
This grant will be used to install a bigger biodigester system in order to increase our productivity. It will be used for marketing and promotion. Yes, we will also invest in research for more innovation and development of our organization. As this, we ensure sustainability and growth of our organization. Thank you.